In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple Zapier automation that sends new Google Calendar events into Notion. We're going to build a very practical workflow that connects two tools many people already use every day. The idea is simple. Whenever a new event is created in Google Calendar, Zapier will automatically create a new page for it in Notion. This can be useful for organizing meetings, tracking appointments, or building a lightweight event log without having to copy information manually. To get started, open Zapier.com in Google Chrome. Once you're on the site, begin a new automated workflow sequence block. This is where you'll define the flow of information between your apps. In Zapier, every automation starts with a trigger and then follows with one or more actions. Think of the trigger as the event that starts everything, and the action as what happens next. For the starting trigger step, configure the module node by selecting Google Calendar and then choose the trigger event called New Event. This tells Zapier to watch your calendar for newly created events. If you use multiple calendars, make sure you later connect the correct one during setup so the automation listens to the right source. Choosing the correct trigger at this stage is important because it determines exactly when the workflow will run. Next, move to the target action step and configure that module node by choosing Notion, then selecting Create Page. This means that every time the trigger detects a new calendar event, Zapier will create a brand new page in your Notion workspace. This is the core of the automation. One app notices something new, and the other app records it automatically. When you're setting this up, it helps to keep the purpose of the Notion page in mind. Since the action is specifically create page, the workflow is designed to turn each new calendar event into its own item inside Notion. That makes it easier to review events later, keep records in one place, and reduce repetitive admin work. As you build, take a moment to review each app selection carefully. A small mistake in the trigger or action choice can change how the automation behaves, so clarity here will save time later. Once both steps are in place, you'll have the basic structure of a clean and useful automation connecting Google Calendar to Notion